Hi folks, I'm Sean McCormick and welcome to the Light and Blog channel. Today we're going to do something very short, just a little bit of a fix I'm doing on my DJI Spark. Hey folks, when I did my first flight with the Spark, well not my first flight but one of my flights not too far into owning it, when I was going in to land I had an issue where I was landing on a concrete table, so we're just coming down and I'd taken off from the same table and it decided that it was going to do some obstacle avoidance and it went offside of it, and then of course the props hit the edge of the concrete table and it flipped. Now what I didn't notice at the time was we lost the LED covers, and so it was a bit of a problem and I was annoyed with it, but they wouldn't send me replacements. They said that they couldn't send me replacements because it would require an engineering fix and that I needed to send it in for 3 weeks. And I was only learning how to use it and I really didn't want to send it away for that long. And so I've just been able to finally get replacement ones, which I'm just going to pop on here. Now they said that I couldn't do it myself because I needed the engineering instructions on how to do it, you know. And so I think that's visible. So these are just the LED covers. Now, so I needed the engineering instructions for them. Alright, these seem to be pointed inwards. Let's point those ones inwards as well. And come on. So they come with little pop-in parts, and part of the reason why I'm actually going to line that up a little bit better, and part of the reason I noticed is because I was looking at the iPhone Do channel, which is a cool channel, and he was talking about how he had his ones pop out as well. And of course he didn't just lose them because he had obviously noticed that they were gone and was able to correct that issue. Me, on the other hand, I didn't see that they were gone, so I couldn't just retrieve them. I had to go and get new ones. Now in we go, pop in. So I'm actually going to, for this one I'm actually going to bring the main camera in a little bit on the magic arm, and I'll do that with that one as well so we can see that. So give me a second. Okay, so just lock that off there now, and I'll probably have them both as well here. So I'm literally, what it is these 3 or 4, is it 4 little pop-in clips. I'm just angling so that it matches the one on this side here basically, so, and which appears to be kind of pointed along the actual wing. So, and there also appears to be kind of little bits that stick out, it's like, so you can't have them right at those bits. So that appears to fit there. And it's just a matter of getting all 4 of them at the same time, a bit like Tupperware. There we go, it's just clipped in. Clipped in, no problem whatsoever. So there we go, clipped in. Beautiful, I'm a very happy man now. So all 4 of them are identical. And so that is it now. I think I'm probably chopping off the top of my head there. But yeah, so they just clipped in. So it was absurd to think that they wanted me to send them away for 3 weeks just to have that pop in there. I didn't even know what I was doing, and it was pretty straightforward just to pop them in. I got them on eBay, so like they were like 99¢ and then $3 shipping, but they took a little bit to come. But I am delighted that my Spark is now whole. Yes. So folks, now you know how to pop them back in. That was hard, wasn't it? Yeah. The whole point is that it should have just been a part that I could have bought straight off DJI, you know, without having to wait for someone to either have them come to DJI eventually. It's like they took ages to come on board. So they're easily available and it's an easy fix. And as you can see, I've also gotten a few things for it. So I got these little prop holders. I got this little camera cover as well, just to protect it in the bag. And then for the joystick, I actually have a little clip so it stops the 2 sticks from moving around the controller. Yeah, so I think I might do some sparking when the fog clears later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell to get notified of new videos. Of course, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.